chapters come in really clutch if your intro is hella weak. Okay, so if your intro, so it's almost like the chapters will help you get that average viewer retention, like, back up, because you would have lost that person if you didn't have those chapters in it. Because like now they're just kind of blindly watching this video and they're like, I'm not about to do all this, right? But if you do end up having, even if you have a strong intro, they can, you kind of get more juice out of the user, right? Because now your average viewer duration maybe would have been 1 minute before, but now you have maybe like 2 or 3 minutes because your chapter is about 2 minutes long of you explaining this like point on the on the video, right? So I don't always recommend chapters being like 30 seconds or whatever, but like it being like a nice chunk, it being like a nice chat, like almost like a chapter, not a subchapter,
Right.
like of something. Because to me, the chapters also, they also rank independently for keywords as well in search and inside Google search as well.